In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your forms in Smartsheet. If you're collecting information through Smartsheet, keeping your forms up to date is essential. Maybe you need to adjust a question, clarify instructions, or make the layout easier to follow. The good news is, editing an existing form is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. Start by opening the sheet that the form is connected to. Forms are always tied to a specific sheet, so make sure you're in the correct one before you begin. Once the sheet is open, look at the toolbar along the top of the screen. There, you'll see an option labeled Forms. Click that, and a small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Manage Forms. This takes you to a centralized place where you can see every form associated with the sheet you're currently viewing. It's helpful because you can confirm you're working on the right form, especially if your sheet has multiple forms for different audiences or purposes. In the Manage Forms area, find the form you want to update. Each form will appear in a list, typically with its title and other helpful details. On the right side of your Forms row, you'll notice a vertical three-dot icon. This is the More Options menu, sometimes called the Kebab menu. Click that icon to reveal the available actions for your form, and then choose Edit. That's the key step that opens the form editor. Once you're in the editor, you can modify your form to better match your goals. This is the place to tune up the title and description so people immediately understand what the form is for. Review your field labels and make them clear and concise, and arrange questions in a logical order that mirrors how your audience thinks about the information. Consider simplifying complex wording, and add brief helper text where clarity matters. Align your questions with the columns in your sheet to ensure clean, consistent data. It's also smart to balance the number of required fields so you get essential information without overwhelming respondents. Keep the overall length manageable, group related items together, and use consistent terminology across the form to avoid confusion. Remember that edits here influence how responses are captured in your sheet, so make intentional changes that support accurate, high-quality data. And that's all there is to it. Open your sheet, go to Forms, select Manage Forms, use the three-dot menu next to your form, and choose Edit. With these steps, you can keep your form clear, current, and aligned with your workflow.